Well, good afternoon, everybody. This is Jim Hovland, and this is Tuesday, May 12th, 2020, and this is your Mayor's Minute. We've talked quite a bit over the past month or so about the difficult pathways, the difficulty of navigating through this maze of maintaining public health, trying to make sure that we don't do too much damage to the economy, and then this whole social interaction issue. And at the city level, one of the things that we've been really having a difficult time with is trying to figure out a way, if at all possible, to maintain programming activity during the summer, the recreational activity, particularly around the Edina Aquatic Center. And, we wanted to keep that pool open if at all possible. But we've come to the conclusion, and we came to the conclusion yesterday from a staff level, that the city just cannot have the aquatic center open for the 2020 season. And this is quite a dramatic change because for more than 60 years, the aquatic center has been part of summer life and summer fun for Edina families and so many families in our part of the region. And let me assure you, as you probably detected from my prior comments, this was not an easy decision because our first inclination was to figure out some way with 60 years of ongoing activity, how to keep it open and how to make it possible for families and kids in particular to use it. But here are the questions, and you can well imagine what the questions were that we wrestled with in terms of making this difficult decision to close the pool. And that was, how do you maintain social distancing in a swimming pool with kids wanting to be near each other, having all this great activity? It just seemed impossible to maintain any kind of social distancing. All you could hear would be lifeguards screeching their whistles and hollering at kids. We just didn't want that situation to prevail. Would you restrict the number of swimmers in the pool any one time? That's a question that was difficult to answer. Would you limit the time at the pool so more people could use the pool if you decided to limit the number of swimmers in the pool at any one time? What about staff, hiring additional staff to constantly sanitize touch points, and then especially maybe touch points in the bathrooms, and then folks out there, parents watching their kids using the facilities that we have available, the chairs, the tables, the umbrellas. We're going to constantly try to sanitize those touch points as well. Would we close concession stands, leave them open, close locker rooms, require visitors to wear masks? Have them bring their own deck chairs instead of using the wonderful equipment that we have there? Would we offer day passes instead of season passes? So besides wrestling with how to maintain social distancing, the uncertainty of opening dates, the opportunity to successfully train staff and certify employees, the availability of protective equipment for staff, and the need for ongoing sanitation and disinfection, we were also thinking those were particularly key factors. So we had to, as I said earlier, make the decision to not open the aquatic center for 2020. For those folks that were optimistic like we were and bought season passes, we're going to send them a full refund. The city plans to reopen the Edina Aquatic Center in 2021, and we really look forward to next June when we can again open up all of those activities at the aquatic center and see kids and families swimming and diving, rocketing down the body and tube slides, zipping along the cable ride, and riding the Lost Wave flow rider again. Until then, we want you to enjoy life with your family this summer. I know you'll find great ways to enjoy your family and have some wonderful outdoor activity. So our best to all of you, and we will see you at the Aquatic Center in June of 2021. This is Jim Hovland. This is your Edina Mayor. Stay safe, stay strong, enjoy the summer. We'll talk to you again tomorrow. Thank you.